Hi guys, my name is Dallin Lobo. I am a freelance web developer. So far my experience here has been very good. It's been 8 months since I started this course, and I have learned quite a lot using also the programming languages like R, and I have learned quite a lot about visualization also. They have very good faculty over here, starting with Professor PKV and Mr. Mukesh Rao and many others. I came with 4 years background in Python, but my experience was greatly into web development. I didn't have any experience in analytics. So when I started with the statistics in this course, I thought it would be quite overwhelming, but Professor PKV has done a great job with explaining the course or explaining the analytics very well. So that is why I think this is a very good program that all of you can take, and I would definitely recommend you guys to consider this program and take full advantage of it.